Sponsoring an event can be a great way to increase your brand awareness. You can create positive feelings about your brand and find countless opportunities to reach more customers. And if the event you're planning on sponsoring is using Whova, you'll find more ways than ever to get the most out of the event, regardless of whether it's an in-person or a virtual event. Whova's mobile event app and web app are the central location for attendees to check the event schedule, attend virtual sessions, and network with one another. As a sponsor, your ad banners will be displayed in many places frequently viewed by attendees, such as the event home screen, the bottom of each session, and in the attendee profiles. In the web app, your brand will constantly be shown at the top. This is already a great opportunity for exposure. Whova's download rate often goes above 90%, and attendees use the app even weeks in advance for networking, meaning they'll know your brand well before the event starts. And that's not it. You can also set up a virtual booth like this. Just add video, live stream, marketing content, and photos, and you can also interact with the attendees through a chat. Once attendees sign up for deals or request more information here, you'll immediately receive the attendees' information. Similarly, at a physical booth, you can conveniently scan visitors' name badges to receive their contact information and export the lead list at any time. You can also proactively search the attendee list even prior to the event, so you can identify people to connect with and plan what to talk about. Whova helps you get valuable insight of attendees, develop business connections, and also find good candidates for recruiting. And you can also send in-app messages without having to know their contact information. Additionally, in the community board, you can create interesting conversation topics to naturally engage with attendees and drive more booth traffic. Or try creating a virtual meetup to share useful information, create good brand impressions, or find other business opportunities. You can create a video meeting with Google Meet or Zoom, insert the link here, and invite anyone you want. If you don't have a video conferencing account, just use Whova's own video chat feature for up to 30 people. After the event, you'll receive an event report from the event organizers, where you can check how many times your sponsor banners were viewed and clicked by attendees, the number of leads collected through the badge scanning and the virtual booths, and the number of clicks on your logo on the event website if it was created by Whova's website builder. It'll be easy to measure your sponsorship success. We have helped more than 15,000 events worldwide and also made hundreds of virtual events interactive and productive within the last month alone. Hopefully, these stats will help you envision how much you can get out of an event by leveraging all of the benefits Whova provides. The Birmingham Homeschool Fair made their sponsors extremely happy. The sponsored banners were viewed more than 10,000 times by their attendees, and they generated 355 leads through Whova. Attendees created 1,700 discussion topics to share information and network with one another. The BP20 Translation Conference that took place in Europe had a 94% download rate, and the sponsored banners were seen over 80,000 times. Sponsors were able to explore the attendees' profiles and send in-app messages to engage with them. Also, the community board and the virtual meetups were quite popular and useful for networking. Similarly, sponsors at the Virtual Growth Summit were also very pleased with their experience in showcasing their brands, generating leads, and developing business connections through Whova. And you can get the most out of your sponsorship too. If you have any questions about using Whova, just let us know.